and welcome to lesson 4 for stage 5.2 equations. So today we know we're making progress when we can solve equations with fractions. So we've been working on this learning intention for a while now, so hopefully we're getting the hang of things. Revision questions to start, these go in your workbook. Pause the video and then press play and I'll explain what to do. Question 1, we expand the brackets. So we multiply 2x plus 6, both of those terms, by 3. So 3 times 2x is 6x. 3 times 6 is 18. So we get 6x plus 18. Next one, same kind of thing, minus 2 times 4x is minus 8x. Minus 2 times 3 is minus 6. So we get minus 8x minus 6. For question 3, multiply both sides by 2. So effectively, 2 times x over 2 is just x. So you can think that these two 2's cross out. The right hand side, 9 2's are 18. 4 times 1 is 4 on the bottom of our fractions. How many 4's are in 18? There are 4. 2 remainder, 2 over 4 is 1/2. So x equals 4.5 is our answer. Question 4, multiply both sides by 2, giving us this, 5x equals 11 times 2 over 3, which is 22 over 3, and then divide by 5. 3 5s are 15, so we get 22 over 15. So we get 1 and 7 over 15 as our answer. The examples for our notebook are here. So I'll go through them and then you can make your notes as you make your summary. So we can think about this 4 going over this side of our fraction and this 3 going over this side. So let's go through why that works. We have A over B equals C over D. We times both sides by B. And this cancels out this B. So we get A equals CB over D. Then the same thing happens with the D. D goes over here. So we end up with AD equals BC. So the 4 goes here. Cancels out from there. And the 3 goes here, which cancels out for there. Then we put brackets in to get this line. Then we expand both brackets. 4 times 2x is 8x. 4 5s are 20. 3 times x is 3x. 3 times minus 1 is minus 3. Subtract 20 from both sides, which effectively cancels that out, and take away 3x from both sides. Is that over here too? So we get 5x equals 20 minus 23, and we divide this by 5 to give us minus 4 3/4. The alternate way to think about this is finding the lowest common multiple of the denominators, so 3 and 4, which is 12 in this case, and then we can say how many 3's are in 12? There are 4. And how many 4's are there in 12? There are 3, which gives us the same line of working. So these lines then match up. So we take the 20, take away 3x, and we get the same solution. So this step here you can think about this way. A lot of students find this more complicated, but there might be an advantage for extension students in the future. Okay, these questions, let's practice in your workbook. So the 3 goes over here, 2 goes over here, like I've written to get you started. Okay, so you can pause the video and then press play when you're ready to check your solutions. So we go 3 times x, 3 times 5, 2 times x, 2 times minus 1. So 3 5s are 15. And 2 times minus 1 is... So we get 3x plus 15 equals 2x minus 2. So 3x equals 2x minus 17. Taken 15 from both sides. Take away 2x is 1x. So x equals minus 17. So for question 6, side 2 goes over this side like that. And then we expand the brackets, giving us 6 3s are 18x, 6 4s are 24. 2 times x is 2x, 2 times 5 is 10. Then we minus 24 from both sides, giving us minus 14. And then 18x equals 2x minus 14. This 2x goes over this side. So 16x equals minus 14, which is minus 7 over 8 when we divide by 16. Question 7. The 5 goes over this side. And the 3 goes over this side. So this is the line of working that you should put in. The red's the thinking. 5 times x, 5 times 7 gives us 5x minus 35. 3 times x, 3 times 5 is 3x minus 15. Add 35 to both sides. So minus 15 plus 35 is 20. And we take 3x from 5x, giving us 2x. 2x equals 20 divided by 2 on both sides, so x equals 10. 8. Multiply both sides by 6 and by 4, giving us this line. So the 6 effectively comes over here, 4 over here. Expand and simplify. 6 times 3x is 18x. 6 times minus 7 is minus 14. Minus 42, sorry. 4 times 5x is 20x. And 4 times minus 5 is minus 20. Then we add 42 to both sides, giving us plus 22. And then from this step, we subtract 20x from 18x, giving us minus 22x. So minus 22x equals 22. Divide by minus 2, giving us x equals minus 11. Okay, as always, reflect on the learning process and practice these skills.